My name is Charlotte. I'm from Sudbury. I'm a Bachelor's of Science in Nursing student, and I'm going into 4th year this September. I like the program because there is plenty of clinical experience opportunities. For the Laurentian University nursing program in particular, first-year students in the first semester get the opportunity to experience a clinical placement, which is great. You get to apply the skills that you learn in the classroom and in a laboratory setting directly into the clinical setting to real patients and clients in the community. So that was really appealing. And then every year and every semester since, I've gotten the opportunity to experience other clinical experiences in community settings and in acute care settings. So you really get to apply the skills that you learn directly to real patients and real clients. So what's unique at the Laurentian University nursing program is that undergraduate students in 4th year, some are eligible to take master's level courses. So for me personally, I'm going to be taking one master's course this spring and one master's course this fall when I'm in 4th year. And then I am eligible to directly bridge into the graduate program, the master's program, in September of 2026 once I graduate. So this allows students who are interested in research to begin that pathway in their academic career, even at the undergraduate level. While I pursue that research path while taking master's courses and eventually completing my master's in the thesis stream, I do also plan to obtain employment in an acute care setting, so in a hospital, to be able to apply my skills that I've learned throughout the last 3 years and eventually my 4th year directly to patient care. So I'm excited to do that as well. And for the nursing program in particular, we're a very, I find each year we're a very tight-knit group of students who are going through nursing school, which is certainly a challenging undergraduate degree, but working together, or creating friendships, creating bonds together to get through this program and succeed with the support of the faculty and our professors. I find that the community is very tight-knit and we help each other.